She's officially smarter than Brewster. It's so ridiculous.
Nice job. I have another grapefruit.
Okay. You know where to put it.
Nice job.
Okay.
I have to open it first, Daddy.
Oh.
Nice job. Oh, one more. You want to leave it open first? Sure. Okay. Nice job.
Close it.
Close it. Close the fridge.
Close
the fridge. The big fridge. Kara. All done. All done. Yay! You have to close the fridge now. We're all done. Can you close the drawer? And now the fridge. Can you close the fridge? You close the big fridge? There you go. Yay! Nice job! Yay! Yeah, cheese.